Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope that everyone is doing good. And in today's video I will show you an amazing technique that's gonna turn your boring lipsticks into gorgeous lipstick using a technique that is known as Ombre Lip technique or Ombre Lips, which I am wearing as well, by the way. So if you want to learn this easy peasy techniques in like less than 5 minutes, then stay with me till the end of the video. But like always, before we start, kindly hit the like and subscribe button to my channel to show support. So without further ado, let's get started. So you can actually see that I have filled the outer corners of my lips with the brown lipstick, and I've left the middle part of my lips. So this is basically the basic step of doing any ombre lip, that you should leave out the center part and fill in the center part with the matching or contrasting color but lighter in shade. I would go with a little bit of a beautiful shade from Ingrid Cosmetics. It's also in, it's like I don't know how to explain it, but it's brown shade, but it's like a creamy brown. Alright, and the number is 298 from Ingrid Cosmetics. A very beautiful shade, but obviously you cannot wear it alone without a lip liner or a darker lipstick like I'm wearing. And it looks extremely beautiful if you do it the way I am doing it. So this brings us to the end of our video, and didn't I tell you that how easy it is, and it looks amazing and gorgeous in my opinion. Do let me know what you think about it. And I think ombre lip also makes your lips look bigger without you going under the knife. So yeah, if you crave that fuller lip, then yeah, definitely this is the best technique for you. And you can turn any lipstick, be it red, pink, brown, nude, into gorgeous lipsticks of your choice. Yeah, just make the outer portion darker and the inner portion, and fill the inner portion with a lighter color. That's the technique, as simple as that. So yeah, if you want to see the pictures and of the lipsticks and read my blog, then go to my website ashtablogs.com, and until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys and ciao. Yeah, cat cape. Yeah, ciao.